Welcome to City Grillin'. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, something different. I was really hungry for a lobster dog. I know there's trucks out there that sell lobster dogs or lobster rolls, however you want to call them. But I thought, and I've had those, they're very good. But I'm thinking, I could probably cut the price in half if I do it myself, right? So I've gone to our local grocery store and I found these mini lobster tails. And matter of fact, they were marked down. So both of these lobster tails are now $7 to $8 for the two. Again, they were marked down, so I brought them home. I've cleaned them and pulled the meat out so it's not going to stick to the shell itself. And we'll get ready to put those on the grill, cook those up, and then build up this lobster dog. All right, I'm out at the grill. I'm at 375, almost 400 degrees for these lobster tails. So I'll go ahead and grab them and place them on the grill just like so. And I'll just let these cook for probably about 8 minutes. I won't have to really turn them. I'm just gonna watch them. It's plenty warm, just until they get kind of a little brighter red on the tail. And when I can tell that the meat's cooked, and then I'll bring them off the grill. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes. Again, 375, 400 degrees. And look at these lobster tails. Nice bright red on the tail itself. The meat's looking like it's completely cooked all the way through. So I'm gonna bring these in and let them cool down just a little bit and then cut them up for our lobster dog. Okay, I have the lobster tails brought inside. So what I need to do is get the meat out of the shell. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my fingers here and a fork to help pull this meat right out of the shell. And then, yep, it's still pretty hot. And I'll grab that meat in a little bit here. Clean off my plate here. Grab the meat out of this. Actually, I'll get that one in a minute. So here's what I need to do is, once I get the meat out, I'm gonna go ahead and slice these up. And I wanna get it in nice bite-sized pieces, to put into my dog. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start to cut it up like this. That'll be nice. Oh boy, it's nice and tender, smells delicious. Can't wait to get into it. So I'll go ahead and finish up the rest here, and then we'll put everything together. Okay, I've cut up all my lobster meat, nice bite-sized pieces. So I'm gonna mix this all together. Different ways to do it. You can use mayonnaise. I'm gonna use a garlic butter for mine because I really like garlic and I really like butter. So I have some chives in here from the garden and some celery. I have a little bit of lemon juice I'm gonna put in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my crab meat, or sorry, not crab meat, lobster meat. Looks like crab now. Sure, you could do it with crab. So put my lobster meat in there. Just like so, every little bit. I can start to mix this up a little bit. And I'm gonna hit just a little bit of pepper in here. Not a lot, just a little bit. Optional too, Old Bay seasoning. Just a little bit of Old Bay in here. That's always good. Mix that up some more. Oh boy. And then finally the best part, right? Garlic butter. And I had some fresh garlic, and I've got chunks of garlic in here. And I'm okay with that because I really like garlic. Some people don't, that's okay. Just melt some butter and stick it in there. Again, you could use mayonnaise for this, but I just want a nice, good lobstery butter, garlic, and onion flavor. So that's all ready to go. So the next step is to have your, I have the hot dog buns cut at the top, and I've put some butter on them, made them kind of golden brown ahead of time, so they're ready to go. And I'll just take some of my lobster mix and just place it on these two dogs. Get a little of that butter on there too. And the extra garlic. Oh boy, this is gonna be delicious, right? Okay, so let's give this lobster dog a try. It smells delicious. Oh my, oh the butter, the garlic. I love lobster. This is easy to do at home, simple recipe. Get the recipe at citygrillin.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Great way to make a lobster roll at home, and it's a lot cheaper too. All right, see you next time.